So this video is actually the continuation of my last video. So my last video was about how can you design any article using Microsoft Word. So if you don't watch my previous video, it's requested to go and check my previous video, and I will try to give the link in my description box. So please check my description box for the link of the last video. And yeah, if you don't watch my previous video, you will miss many things, and you cannot understand many things. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. So in my previous video I have just created a footer picture, and sorry, header picture, and the title. So I don't want this title, I'm going to make this title a bit okay. So this is looking good. So I have add this title, and okay, you can change the color of your title. I'm going to keep the color as it was. Now I have to decrease the size of the margin, left margin. So I'm decreasing the left margin. Okay, this is quite good. This is before, and this is the before margin. Before margin means the blank space before the title, and this is after means the blank space after the title. So I'm going to add a little bit blank space before the title so that it will not look congested. So yeah, this is looking good now. Okay. Yeah, uh, removing a little. Okay, this is fine. Okay. uh, Now, you may notice that there are many article where the first letter of the article is like very big, and the letter is uh, relatively small, and the lines. Okay, so the first letter of the title, maybe you can like what you have noticed that the first letter of your title is very big and the later portion is relatively small. So to do that, what you have to do, so there is the option insert. Go there. Okay, and then after opening the tab insert, you will find the option drop cap. Okay, click here. Then none. So by default the drop cap is none, but if you select this option dropped, then your first letter will be bigger and the rest of the letter will be remain the same, and your paragraph will start from the middle of your first letter. And if you select this option, and obviously your paragraph will continue like this. The paragraph will continue from here, and it will start writing from at the bottom of your from the bottom of your letter. And if you select this option in margin, then the first letter will place at the margin of your page, and your paragraph and your other writing will be like the justified. Okay, like justified, that means no writing or no sentence will go under your first letter. So I'm going to add the second option dropped, and margin, decrease the left margin. Is it here? Okay, click here, sorry, and drag it inside. So this is considering as a different image. So Microsoft Word is considering the same as a different image. So you can just simply like image, you can resize the space, not the letter, actually the space. Okay, so if you Increase the space, the rest of the writing will be go far from the first letter, and if you decrease the space, the rest of the letter will be closer to your first letter. So yeah, now I am going to start writing my paragraph. Okay, just enter. Now home, 11 is perfect. I'm going to copy some text from the internet and directly paste it here. Copy, and here are some options for copying. Sorry, if you right click in your mouse, you'll find some option for copying. Like this is keep source formatting. Like it will copy the whole text how it was at the source source formatting. That means from which source you have copied this text, the text format will be remain the same as your uh, copied formatting, or from where you have copied this text. If you click here, so it will just merge formatting. That means my Microsoft Word settings and my copied format settings, those two settings will be merged. And if you select this option, keep the text only. Okay, this option will keep the text only, and the settings will be remain the settings of Microsoft Word. That means the font size will be the font size that was given in the Microsoft Word. The font size will remain the same size that I was given in the Microsoft Word. Okay, it will don't keep the format of the source. Okay, so I'm going to add this. I don't want the format of my source. So yeah, uh, this is a text. So I'm going to change the font style, not the title. Mm, okay. No, this is not looking good. Arial is a bit more bold. This is hard to read. This is bold. Mm, this is quite good, right? And increase the size a bit. 14 is very big and 12 is better. Okay. You can change the color of your fonts also. Now I'm going to press enter. Okay, then creating another space. Yes, enter. Oh, one thing that is, if you select here, okay, if you select this option and again go to the insert tab and drag tab, and in margin, wait, okay, so this will create a margin, and there are more drop cap option. You can find this one, this one, this one. Okay, so there are many drop cap option. After applying the drop cap option, you will understand the changing. Okay, so for now I'm going to moving forward. So creating a space. Now here I'm going to add another subtitle. Here I'm going to add a text. So this will work as a subtitle of my article. So I'm going to add a subtitle. So it's a subtitle. This is embedded subtitle. There are different options. No, this subtitle is good enough. I'm going to, what is the font size of this? Okay, keeping the same font size. Okay, the font size is same. Increase the font size a bit. Okay, make it bold. Okay, change the color, so match to the title color, which will look good. And page layout, decrease the left margin. Okay. It decreased a little bit extra. I guess this is perfect. Okay, this is perfect. And before, okay, I'm going to press the auto. Okay, so now this is working as a subtitle of my another paragraph. So this is a subtitle of another paragraph. I'm going to add the writings, copy the text from the source and press enter, select here and match with this font style and font size, Adobe Arabic and 12. Okay, and 12. Yeah. Okay. So like this way I'm going to add all the subtitles and sub paragraph of this article for at least for this page. So I'm going to add another paragraph. There's no subtitle, I'm just adding the another paragraph, keeping some space and adding another paragraph, keeping some space and adding another paragraph. So as you can see, for the both page, for the I have my article go through this page, and for the both page the header portion is remain the same. This is because I didn't choose any settings for make the difference of for the each and every page. So for that and click the option different first page and insert again. Okay, now you can see my header is different now. So I have added a picture here, but there is no picture here. So my header is different now. So if you want different header, you have to select that option. You have to select that option. Okay. So header different first page. So yeah, that's all for this video. I have added some paragraphs and subparagraphs here. So in my next video I will design this article a bit more. So hope that you guys will stay with me and you guys will visit my next video. And if you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you have any query or if you have any suggestion for me, don't hesitate to write anything in the comment section.